I masturbate to the sound of my breathing. The rate of inhale matches the rate of penetration. The rate of exhale matches the suction as I'm 3 fingers deep and oscillating like the tides of the oceans. Between my thighs lies the 7 seas of redemption, holy water crucifixion, the flavor of ambrosia. Wet enough to quench the throats of gods. Every drop savored like the sweat of Jesus' brow. I could save you. Elevate you to fingertip touch stars. Dust, kaleidoscope sprinkling into your eyes. Newborn babe gaze of wonderment as you grasp for verification of my veracity. Is this still possible in an age of mundane mediocrity? You finally breathe. Coming up for air as I drown you in the pressing of lips to skin. Pressure balefully applied with slip of tongue to taste the pheromones you exude when I am near.
Go ahead, girl. Yes. Go ahead, girl.
It tantalizes nerve endings, signals behavioral modification, position change, switches our souls. I know exactly how you feel when I engulf you in such softness that clouds are green of it. My scent tattooed across your raw, naked flesh, a heady aroma of candle smoke and uninhibited lavender. With each inhale, I slither within you through nostril or open mouth gasp. This Tinkerbell has cast a spell on you as primordial as the hunger in your belly. But you may not be able to see the wings upon my back because sometimes I like it when you're on top. Like a freight train locomotive with packages that need to be delivered inside me. Or on my breast. Maybe my stomach. Or even my lips. Occasionally they need a taste of Christmas. But my wings shimmer like rainbows after sun showers on a hot August afternoon. At the end of a rainbow, there is always a pot of gold. And I can make you richer than any paper could. I'm a little more than human, a little less than a goddess. Didn't I say I could save you? Listen to this inferno of a benediction. Let me lay you down as an offering to the 4 elements of our passion. I masturbate to the sound of my breathing. The rate of inhale matches the rate of penetration. The rate of exhale matches the suction as I'm 3 fingers deep and oscillating like the tides of the oceans. I'm waiting for you to come home.